Hello, I'm many years ago with his first, and I've done the Master Profi 3 times. I've done which is a board game, and of a couple of people making a big mistake. They decided not to buy the business after my advice. We're now doing investment consultant. That is unbelievable course. You learn about compound interest and a lot of things you don't get taught at school. That's the beauty about this API, is you get taught things that you don't learn at school and they don't want you to learn at school. What do I think about Andrey? Well, this guy is so smart. He's years ahead of everybody. There is people who buy the courses, do nothing, and that's not Andrey or the company's fault. Okay, you buy something, you make sure you learn it, and then you improve in your life. One of the main things I come out of learning so much is the compound interest. It's just imagine, put 1 cent a day, keeps adding up. It's just totally amazing. So I always highly recommend doing the courses. Okay, when you do a free course, truly there's no value in it because people don't. I've joined free courses on the weekend, and we'd start with 50, and by the third day there's only about 10 left because there's no value. But when you do pay for a course, if you're smart, you should follow instructions and practice what you learn. That's very important. Alright, so thank you for watching me, and then I'll add this to my list. Alright, so have a great day, and God bless, take care, and never give up. That's the motto. Many times you're that close to being on the top, and people give away. Right, thanks Steve and Lois. Okay, take care. Bye. You can share this too if you like.